How to set up and apply tax. Go to Setup. Press Advanced button. Go to Sales Extras tab. Tax 1. Tax name. Tax rate. Tax 2. Tax name. Tax rate. Press Done. Go to Inventory. Press Departments button. Open the Department settings. This tax setting is located under Sales Extras in the Advanced Setup. Press OK. The tax rate is displayed for each taxable department. Press Manage Items. Default. Follow Department Tax Rule. Press Done. Press Tax Exempt button. This invoice is tax exempt. Press Tax Exempt button again. Tax is applied to this invoice. Select the item. Press Tax Exempt Item button. Only selected item is tax exempt. Press Edit Customer button. Tax setting. You can also assign tax rules to special customer. Press Done. Tax exemption applied to this customer.